Hello. All right, today we're going to be making two parts for our crocodile, and it's really two parts that we need to make the bottom part of our mouth, and we also need to make this inside piece that will become the puppet part so that we can make our mouth open and close like a puppet. Okay, so a couple of little tricky steps today, so please pay attention. Okay, so you have your crocodile right here, and what we need to do is we need to make the bottom jaw of our crocodile. And so I have green paper up front. What I want you to do is put your crocodile on top of the green paper, just its mouth, okay, just the head. Grab a pencil and just carefully trace around the head all the way back as far as you can, right to your weaving loom, okay? Then you can move your crocodile to the side, and now it's kind of hard to see, but I have my line drawn, and now I'm gonna cut that out. So this will be the bottom jaw, and we want it to be the same size. We traced it so that it would match, so that when we make this into a puppet, the top of our mouth and the bottom of our mouth will be exactly the same. Okay, so now I've got that piece. Just leave that at your table for a minute. Okay, then you're gonna go and get this white piece of paper. This white piece of paper, let me show you one, I already did one. We're going to bend into a letter M, or you could think of it as a letter W, okay? So we're making like a zigzag line with this. And so I have my white paper. What I'm gonna do, and I need to do it in 4 sections, so I need it in fourths. So I'm gonna kind of go like this and find about the size I'm gonna make it. So I find the middle of it. And you can actually, I like to fold it in half like this to find the middle. I think this is a little bit better way. There's so many ways to find the middle, but I'm just gonna fold it in half like a card, since we've been doing that for this whole project. And then the front of my card, I'm actually gonna fold backwards until the edge lines up with the fold I just made. But now I need to do it to the back of my, what looks like a birthday card. Fold this one back as well. So you folded, you made a birthday card, and then you folded the front back and the back backwards, okay? When you do that, ta-da, you have a letter M or a letter W if you flip it upside down, okay? And now this is going to be the part where we glue it inside your puppet, and your hands are going to be going like this to make the mouth move. So that means we have to add glue to the top right here. We have to add glue to the bottom. So use your hand to kind of, here's your little puppet hand, and grab the middle of that letter M like that, so that you kind of can see from the side, okay, I need to put glue here and I need to put glue here. Okay, so I'm gonna put glue on one side. Grab my glue stick, those will be up front too. Put glue on there. And then I have to think about this. I want my puppet to work like this. So I'm gonna put, let's see, the mouth will have to go like that. I'm gonna put it in the middle, just like that. And then I'm gonna put glue on this other surface right here that's on top. And then I'm gonna put my crocodile, gotta bring my crocodile back over here, and I'm gonna put this head right on top of that glue that I did right there on that white piece of paper. And then I'm gonna push down. You might need to add some pressure for a little while until that glue dries. Okay, I wouldn't pick it up and try to make my puppet work, because glue takes a little time. It's just gonna fall off, okay? Let's see. Oh, look at, now I have my crocodile puppet. I can open and close his mouth. He's looking like he doesn't have teeth, but we're gonna work on that next, okay? So now we have our crocodile puppet. Its mouth actually can open like this, and you'll be able to make it work. But I just want to let my glue dry right now. Otherwise, I would show you how good he is at opening and closing his mouth. You can kind of see right now how he's propped like that. Okay, so this is a really fun part today. Don't do anything like with teeth or anything, because we are going to make them for our next part. Okay, so get the bottom jaw made. Remember, trace it on the green piece of paper, and then you fold like a birthday card, and then fold this back and the bottom back, and it will make a letter M. Okay? All right, I'll be around to help. Please raise your hand.